You certainly have heard about meditation, especially during this turbulent period we are living in now. People say that meditation can help you feel calmer and improve symptoms of depression. But do you know what meditation is? In today's video, you will see the benefits of practicing meditation for the brain. Do you meditate? No? Then you should. The effects of this practice on the human body and behavior are being thoroughly studied now, even though meditation itself is a millennia-old practice. According to some authors, meditation is a type of training for the mind that helps you develop total attention, the awareness of the present moment. It is an internal exercise that offers deep concentration and develops and enhances the ability to deal better with your own emotions and living better with yourself. Isn't it interesting? Studies show that meditation helps both physical health and familiar and professional relationships, and also reduces stress levels, increases concentration, contributes to memory, develops mathematical logical thinking, strengthens creativity, significantly reduces violence, balances the emotional area, reduces chronic pain, ends generalized anxiety, increases immunity. But what can be considered meditation? Is it enough to sit in a lotus pose with your eyes closed to get all these benefits? Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. No, what you really need is a clearly defined technique with a focus on attention, mental and muscle relaxation, and a reduction of logical thinking. That involves breathing, concentration, and posture. Meditation works the mind and the body. It is a gymnastics that doesn't require much of your time. 15 minutes and a little bit of persistence and regularity are enough to see changes in your life. Does it sound hard for you? No need to be scared. Meditation is just like running. Nobody starts running a full 30 minutes in their best form. You need to go little by little. Start with a minute of meditation or with some exercises of mindfulness, like paying attention to yourself and your surroundings. This simple exercise teaches your mind to focus on the present moment. The more focused your mind is, the deeper your meditation is. Isn't it amazing? Mantras are another thing that helps with meditation. They activate two brain areas, speech and hearing. It helps you stay more present and prevents your mind from scattering. Also, mantras bring positive messages, and believing in what you are saying is good for your mind. Meditation is way simpler than it looks, and you can do it wherever you prefer. In your backyard, living room, bedroom. Any environment that allows you to concentrate is a good place to meditate. Try it. Add meditation to your routine and compare how you were before and after the practice. Then come back to share your experience with us. If you already meditate, tell us what benefits you noticed in yourself since you started. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.